A winning formula for science. Red Cedar Elementary School hosted its third annual Science Saturday for fourth grade students, and for the first time ever, the school invited families to join in on the fun.
We have parents here, grandparents here, aunts, older siblings who are actually getting hands-on learning as well and engaged in the lessons, and now they'll be able to go home and talk even deeper into what they're learning, which we're hoping means that they're really going to retain these really cool science nerds.
Kids are taking part in 4 hands-on activities that reinforce key science concepts. They're discovering how to transfer the sun's energy into heat by building solar nacho ovens.
Our activity was making solar ovens, and we learned about refracting and reflecting light and heat energy to make the nachos melt.
Creating their own wavelengths with gumdrops while learning about frequency.
We were learning if you take off one side of gumdrops, the effect of that. And then the next thing we would do, we would take off all of one side, and then we would see how it would work. And then there was no energy when you took off one from all sides.
Exploring erosion in a unique way.
We were doing erosion with white bread and Swedish fish. That represented decomposition or erosion.
Learning about low country birds with an expert from the Montage Conservatory.
There's so many types of beaks, and we were using spoons and forks to try to grab some foods like rice and peas, and we were trying to see what the beaks could pick up with food and stuff like that.
Families are having fun working side by side with their kids.
I think it really helps build a community, having all of us in here together, show support for the teachers, for the school, and it gets the kids excited because it's not just learning with their friends. They get to be excited to show off what they already know or what they're learning with their family at home.
It's cool working with the kids and getting them to learn and experience, and it's one thing to sit in a classroom and learn, but being hands-on really matters.
More than 60 students and family members are taking part in the science activities.
We want the kids to have this experience because, one, we want to create future scientists, future engineers, and we want learning to be engaging and exciting.
The school will host a second Science Saturday, March 22nd.
What do you think?
At Red Cedar Elementary School, Run Lopes, Beaufort County School District.
Add to it. Make an adjustment so you can make it longer.